Hello wonderful people, and welcome again to my YouTube channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for staying here. If you're new here, I welcome you into today's video and also into this channel. If you've not subscribed, kindly consider subscribing and be part of this family. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieved this yummy nyama choma. It is so tasty, and I'm going to show you how I achieved this. I also made some kachumbari and some ugali to accompany my nyama choma, and it was really nice and tasty that I enjoyed every bit of this meal, and so I'm gonna show you in this video. So let's get into the video, and I'm going to assemble the spices. I used paprika, as you can see. I also used garlic. This is ginger. I also used some black pepper and ground coriander. I also used 1 lemon, and you need to wash it clean. I also use 3 stripes of rosemary. I also washed them clean to make sure there's no contamination. We set them aside, and then this is our meat. Then I'm going to cut the meat into some stripes like that, and this will allow the marinade to incorporate well in the meat stick. You need to continue making the cuts, the stripes, and I divided this chunk of meat into 2 so that it can fit in my frying pan. And then we are going to make the marinade right now, and that is 1 teaspoon of ginger. I started with 1 teaspoon of ginger, then 1 teaspoon of garlic. Remember, we are making the marinade. This is coriander, 1 teaspoon, like that. That is black pepper. Also, we are using 1 teaspoon, and we are mixing everything. That is paprika. It has a very nice color. It gives the marinade a good color. Yeah, we used 1 teaspoon, and then our washed lemon, we cut it into 2, and then we are going to squeeze that liquid out of the lemon. Also, make sure to get rid of the seeds, and in case they pour into your marinade, you need to take them off after squeezing, just like this. We remove the seeds that has fallen into our marinade. Then you are going to add 2 spoons of cooking oil and stir, just like this. And then you add 2 spoons of water and continue stirring until the marinade is ready. We need to add some salt to taste and continue stirring, and our marinade is almost ready. Like that, it is ready. We are done like that. Now we take our chunks of meat ready to be marinated like that, and we put the marinade on the chunk of meat like that. You see, the cuts in the meat will make easier for the marinade to be incorporated in the meat, just like that. Flip on the other side and also marinate the other side. Also the other piece, flip it on the other side and marinate it, just like that. Make sure the marinade is incorporated in every part of the meat. Now take your pan and smear some cooking oil like that, about 1 tablespoon or 2, and then put your marinated meat in the pan like that. Make sure every part is heated, and then come in with your rosemary. I told you I used 3 pieces like that. Remember, we had washed them. And now cover your meat with a lid like that and leave it to cook for like 30 minutes in low heat. In the meanwhile, we are going to prepare the kachumbari, and we're going to use 1 avocado and 1 piece of red onion and 1 piece of tomato like that. We are washing them to be clean. Make sure they are clean to avoid contamination. Now I'm going to slice the onion into small pieces. Like that. We are done. And then I'm coming in with hot water and put the sliced pieces of onions into the hot water to remove the excess taste. Meanwhile, I'm chopping my tomato into small pieces like this. Perfect. Like that. Perfect. We are done. And we put them in a bowl. We are done. Then slice the avocado into 2 halves and then remove the peel. After removing the peel, we are cutting it into small slices like that and cut it into small pieces just like this. Perfectly done. Now we are going to drain our onion and then we put it in the mix. Then we are going to add some salt to taste, and then we are going to mix everything to incorporate all the flavors and tastes. We are done. Look how yummy it looks. Now back into our meat. That's how it looks. So we have just cooked one part. So we're going to flip into the other side like that to cook. Remember, I told you to make sure it is in low heat to avoid burning. Wow, look how yummy and juicy it is. Then I'm going to test the tenderness with a fork like that, and my meat is becoming tender. Then I cover with the lid to allow the other side to cook like that. We are done after 30 minutes. That's how it looks. Look how yummy it is. We are done, and now we are cutting our meat into small pieces and portions so that we can start enjoying our meal. Wow, look how delicious it looks. Now we are going to serve like that. I'm going to add in my kachumbari just like that, and then I come in with my ugali and we start enjoying. Let me taste it for you guys. Wow, it is yummy. Now this is the final look of our meal. So guys, make sure to try this recipe and let me know in the comment section how it looks. Until next time, bye.